As in, para ka lang din nagpa-hair spa kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Pagod na rin ba yung buhok mo sa kakapariban, pagpapakulay katulad nung sa'kin, pero still gusto mo pa rin ng soft, shiny hair? So, I recently discovered this Lux Organics Premium Keratin Treatment with Argan Oil. This is the perfect product if chemically treated yung buhok mo just like mine. No? Mahilig kasi ako magpakulay ng hair. Meron na siya mga Athena keratin to protect our hair from damage, especially nga yung mga chemically treated na hair. And then it has also this argan oil para malambot and shiny naman ang ating mga hair. Ang napansin ko lang dito mga ate is less frizzy yung hair ko, mas manageable siya at hindi din siya mabigat sa buhok. As in, para ka lang din nagpa-hair spa kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Just want to add mga ate that this keratin treatment is sulfate-free and paraben-free, so very safe talaga siya sa ating hair and scalp. So mga ate, kung katulad mo rin ako na very frizzy and chemically treated yung hair, this is the perfect and recommended keratin treatment for us, Lux Organics Premium Keratin Treatment with Argan Oil. So check out nyo na yung yellow basket below. Bye-bye!